In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart icon from the header in Shopify. Whether you want a cleaner store design or simply don't need the cart icon visible, this process is quick and easy. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Online Store from the left side menu. Next, go to Themes and find your current active theme. Click the three dots next to your theme and select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, look for the file called Theme, Liquid and open it. Now, you'll need to add a small code snippet to hide the cart icon. Scroll through the file until you find the closing body tag. Paste your code snippet just above the body tag. After adding the code, click Save at the top right corner. Once saved, click Exit and then select View Your Store to preview the changes. You should now see that the cart icon has been removed from your Shopify store header, giving your site a cleaner and more minimal appearance. Thanks for watching and happy customizing your Shopify store.